right there. Now 1053, this was quite straightforward because I talked about how you see the pink algorithm building liquidity here, isn't it? So this was quite straightforward once you saw the teal algorithm starting to sell, and we bounced off beautifully off that 5-day moving average. If you've been watching the videos here, you will see how important this particular indicator is. And just take a quick look how beautifully it grabbed the liquidity off that 5-day and off that pink algorithm that I was talking about, that liquidity that was being built. Absolutely beautiful trade to the end of day right there. Now at this point, I already had 80% trade right here. This was an 80% trade that I managed to catch within the pink algorithm, and also a put credit spread, which I mentioned to you about planning for this trade since the start of the day. I planned it right at the start here, I think. Yeah, right at the morning. Understanding this, you can read that later, Discord members. You have to review this. Where I talked about the put credit spread that you had to plan for, and I told you a right time for you to enter. I don't do signals, please understand that. But you have to deal with that with a certain level of understanding, and you will realize you can make profits every single day. Not only when I give signals, every single day, because you have developed a skill for that. And this put credit spread just went completely 100%. So I don't know how you want to call it, a 100% trade. But yeah, extracted more than 95% of that profits from that assured, because I also gave you some instructions on how to manage your risks if we continue headed down to that 5-day moving average. So please, Discord members, you have to study that. Now, it's important you watch this first part of the videos, because it's not just about understanding the algorithms, but also day in, day out, and for every single day this week. You've seen me find 100% trades every single day, and you notice that you don't have to be taking the big moves. That's exactly what I'm trying to do here with you. You have to understand that by watching this, you see how it is realistic, how it is possible, how it's something you can do daily, because I tell you, we can do this every single day. We can find profits in the charts every single day. You don't have to worry about where the charts are going. You don't have to be coveting for the big moves. Don't get greedy, because small moves, as long as it's structural, as long as it has your risks managed, and we do that by identifying the algorithms. And the algorithms, as you notice, is to the penny, and that helps you in your precision, isn't it? It helps you in managing your risks. So you realize that instead of trading like a vagrant, instead of trading like a headless chicken, for once you're trading like an elite professional with precision to the penny. And you realize the difference between the elites is that there is very little margin of error that you just have to let slip just slightly, and you will see the vast difference. Now, there's this saying, between the worst and the best NBA player, it's razor thin margins. But between the worst NBA player and me, it's huge, it's vast. And you understand what I'm trying to talk about. To the elites, they are thriving on precision. And for once in your trading, I want you to embody the identity of being an elite. You need to know why you're doing this, and you're not doing this for play. There are methods and there are ways that you can hold yourself to high standards firstly, and you can start training like a professional. That you put in the work, you study, you put in the practice, and most importantly, you see for yourself day in, day out. There are ways to make very good money. And even though you don't see very big moves every day, and some of you are just hoping for 10-point moves every day, and you tell yourself, are you living in a pipe dream? Or are you being realistic and trying to make money every day for your family? Some of you are living in fantasy. Fantasy! You dream of striking the lottery every day. How is that not fantasy? Some people don't even do that once in their lifetime. But yet you can make money every day to feed your family. You can. It's right here, right in front of you. So you have to come here with the right mind. You have to come here with the right heart, with the right approach. You know why you're doing this. You know why you're watching this. You're not just watching some YouTube video. You are trying to get better. You're trying to indoctrinate your mind with a professional ethic